new, then welcome to my channel. It's Day back again with another video for y'all. So if you haven't read that title already, we're gonna be doing my freaking hair because the hair needs to be done. So yes, we're about to sit here and do my hair. We're about to do a cute little curly flip over. I want it to be like short, kind of like right here, kind of like shoulder length. I think that'll be really, really cute. I don't know if we're gonna do it like all the way back or like a side part or what, but I'm just ready to get into it because soon I just feel like I'm not gonna be in the mood to do my hair anymore, and I just want to get it over with. So let's go ahead and hop into this video. I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I'm gonna be using. So this is the bundle of hair we're gonna be using. It's from Organique. I've been loving these Organique bundle packs. So my last curly flip over, it was like longer. It was kind of like down here. So this one's a lot shorter, and I'm even going to cut this even shorter to be like shoulder length. So let's go ahead and hop into it. This is the Organique Water Wave 14, 16, and 18. And this is the curl pattern, the Water Wave pattern. It's really cute. First things first, we're gonna start with this black cap. Some people do two. I'm just gonna do one. But I'm going to put a black cap over the back part of my hair. Cap is on the perimeter of my hair, or the part that the tracks are gonna go over, and this is gonna be my leave out. Very humbling, but yeah, all of this right here, it's gonna be my leave out.
Anymore. How much more do y'all want me to try? I don't know how much more I could. I'm trying not to do that. Nobody cares about that. I'm trying.
One thing about me, I love being at home, so it's only right I turn this apartment into the apartment of my dreams. After this week, she's no longer a unit, she's the penthouse. Y'all went crazy about this couch, so this is me trying to show you how comfortable the cushions are. Anyways, I replaced that old gray rug I had before with this cream one. I'm really into prints and patterns right now.
Because we not shopping there no more. Black Nile is a directory to help you find black businesses, everything from grocery stores, hotels, and
All different types of things. Yes, I'm meal prep. Stop each tribe when he seen this chicken tender sample with this chicken sauce on. He said it was a bomb 10 out of 10. I told him about his time, sir. Well, anyway, we spent $333, and I didn't show y'all everything we picked up. CJ loaded up the car, and then we headed to Bojangles. After all them samples, he swear he's still home. Stopped at the gas station to fill up cherry milk. I got CJ with me. I got my Yogi cup so I can drink my water and mind my business. We're gonna get us a cart and then head on up to the service desk so they can give us a little temporary shop.
This is only like the first bundle with this added. And this is pretty much the back. I don't know if I need to add extra hair. I have some extra hair from my last quick weave, but it's turning out super cute. I can't wait to cut it though. Like the length already is throwing me off. I just want it like real cute and short. I think that'll be cute for a week or two. So yeah, we're just gonna keep repeating the same steps until I get to the front.
Incapable of doing anything on their own.
Well, I guess just because
26. Poor thing, here, chug that.
Thank you for coming. We're really saving today.
the beauty and the struggle, ugliness and the success. It's so difficult to listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, and we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga know we grind. Tell me, mama, please, we drinking out of time. All the pain you brought, you still lingering in your mind.
Long line at the bar.
Pain still lingers on mine.
Married briefly in my 20s. One could ask me what happened.
Good news
So
is
easy to explain.
came a long way. Bad news is
We've loved our time together.
it's better. Like, better than yours.
I am the walrus.
For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. Answer straight from the Lord above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better.
Okay, so this is how it looks once all of the bundles and everything is in. I have the scissors because I want to get scissor happy. I told y'all I really want like a shoulder length look. So I do want to like cut it before I do the front of it where my real hair is. So let's see how we're about to cut this. This is the way that it needed to charge. Don't even mind it, but I'm watching TV and I'm doing my hair at the same time.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
What if this housewives do in book club anyway? People got drunk, talked about guys.
Love you.
Inappropriate amount. It's not that different than like better wine, better liquor.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
Sometimes
There's beauty in the struggle. Beauty in the struggle. There's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. Life can't be no
Like a
fairy
little
tale,
more
but once
to
upon
where
a
there's
time.
like a little gap and you can like see past my shoulder. Like I don't know if I want it a little bit more up here or do I want to leave it. I always try to leave it first and then like I'll wear the style for like a day or two, and then if I want to go back in and cut, then I will. So tomorrow I might go in and cut it again, but I think I'm gonna leave it here. I'd rather not cut too much too soon because you can't put the hair back, but I can cut it if I want it shorter. But I don't want to chop it too much, being too scissor happy, and then it look a hot mess and you can't put the hair back on, and the tracks is very much glued in. So yeah, I'm gonna rock my hair like this for about 12 days. Try to like measure it up. Listen.
To all my niggas out there living in debt, cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel.
Okay, so now that we have the whole like foundation situated and the cut is just so freaking cute to me, it really gives me what I was going for in my head. I slick on it shorter, but I'm chill. I really am scissor happy. But yeah, let's go ahead and work on this leave out or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unraveling it. And then we need to add some heat protectant to the
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Love yours.
I'll talk to you later, definitely.
You're the best with.
Really?
So I got you. I was gonna give it to you later, but can't wait. I went to a strip club with someone yesterday, and I got a lap dance and went a little too far.
You know what? I bought it.
Hey, I mean it.
Beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success.
You're smart.
It's home for dinner at like a really nice restaurant, but after a couple glasses of wine, not tripping my face off.
And this is pretty much the result. Everything is really cute. The only thing I need to add is a little bit of hair polish or hair shine. I like to add a little bit of hair polish just so the hair can match, like my leave out and the extensions can match. And I just feel like sometimes my hair is a little dull versus the quick weave hair. I also have these headbands as well to put on the front part. Last quick weave, I absolutely love the headbands, but I think I'm gonna wait a couple of days, maybe like 2-3 days, and then start wearing my headbands again. I might cut it and make it a little bit shorter, but for now, I'm in love with the length. I think it's really cute. I can't wait until the curls up top kind of fall just a little bit. They're a little too like perfect and curly. I kind of want them just to like fall a little bit so it can look just a little bit more natural. I tried to do my little baby hairs and stuff, but honestly it's pretty late, so I'm gonna have to redo them tomorrow anyway. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I love a cute little flip over moment. It definitely saves me some coins, and I'm gonna wear this for like a week and a half, and then I'm going to get my hair done for the it's just too freaking cute.
Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived.
I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so that the next time I drop a video, babe, you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for content. I might take a picture or two, I don't know. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. I love y'all.